Welcome to our detailed tutorial on how to add a sound to your snap on Snapchat. Let's go through the steps to enhance your snaps with audio for a more immersive experience. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, capture a snap by tapping the capture button or choosing a photo from your phone's gallery. After you have your snap ready, locate the sticker icon on the right side of the screen and tap on it to access the sticker options. Next, find and tap the sounds icon among the sticker choices. This feature allows you to add a sound to your snap. Now select a sound from the available options that best fits the mood or theme of your snap. Once you've chosen the desired sound, tap the check button at the bottom right corner of the screen to confirm your selection. To complete the process, you can now send your snap to your friends or add it to your story to share with a wider audience, allowing them to experience your snap with the added sound effect. By following these steps, you can easily elevate your snap game by incorporating sounds into your snaps on Snapchat, creating a more engaging and dynamic storytelling experience for your viewers. Thank you for tuning in, and happy snapping with sound on Snapchat.